Hello and welcome to my Rubik's Cube instructional videos. We'll start off with descriptions. We'll start off with the descriptions of the pieces of the cube, notations of the faces. Later videos will focus on solving the first layer, the second layer, and then completing your whole cube. Let's get started. First thing to know is all the different types of pieces that your cube is made of. There are edge pieces, which have two colors. Corner pieces that have three colors. And finally, center pieces. Center pieces that only have one color. This is important because these do not move. This means that each centerpiece makes the face that belongs to that color. So you will definitely know if a piece is in the wrong place based on your centerpiece. Moving on to the faces. First, hold your cube like I am. So the face pointing to the ceiling is called the up face. The face pointing to the floor is called the down face. The face that you're looking at is called the front face. The face that is away from you is called the back face. Then you have your left face and your right face. Finally, we have movements. Each movement is shown by the letter of the face. U for up, D for down, F for front, B for back, L for left, and R for right. So if you see a letter, that means you turn that face one turn clockwise, as if you were looking at it, just like the hands of the clock. If you see a letter with a tick after it, that means you would turn that face one turn counterclockwise, like you're going back in time. So if you see F, that would be turn to front one turn. If you see F with a tick, that would be turn to front one turn the other way. Same with up. Up, one turn. Up with a tick, one turn counterclockwise.